Hi, it's Sherry from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with the May Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. It's another fun block, and I've also got my next block with the Bliss Sew Along to share with you. I mentioned last month that I'm doing a scrappy version with those quilt block patterns. So got quite a few things to share with you today, and let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the May box. The theme is Make Believe, so that really didn't give it away for me this time. I have to admit I was completely surprised by this theme. So Free Spirit Fabrics, Fat Quarters, and these are from Tula Pink. And I'll just pull this out and just open them. Tula Pink just has the most beautiful color combinations and lots of animals in her designs. I'm not usually really big on animals, but there's a deer there. It's very playful. I'm not sure if that's a squirrel right there. Yeah, and so more animals. Like I said, I love the colors in her fabrics, but I don't sew a lot with animals, but these are kind of cute, and I love the ladybugs. So this one I absolutely love, and this one I looked at it earlier, and oh yep, there's I think a fox just hidden in there. So anyway, a fun little collection from Tula Pink this time. This I had to read about this too. Laundry basket quilts. They are called Sew Daisy, and I think this is a really fun idea. So what they are is these little plastic thingamabobs, I guess. And what you can do, oh, and they even have little quilt baskets on the top and bottom. Let me get a spool and I'll show you what you do with these. Okay, so they are made to use with your Aurifil thread spool. You put one on the top and one on the bottom, so they have different. One fits perfectly in the bottom, one fits perfectly in the top. And then what you can do is use your spool to hold needles while you're traveling. I think that is such a fun idea. So the daisy goes on the bottom, then you can drop your needles down into the center of your spool. This is going to be really, really great when I travel. I just love that. And you'll always have a needle with you and thread. So really a really fun idea. This next one, it's called the Sticky Finger, and I didn't know what it was really for either, but it has two uses. It says that the pointed end can be used to turn corners when you're sewing bags or maybe straps or handles, anything that you need to turn and press the corner out when it's been sewed. So that'll be handy. And then it's not really sticky, it's just like a rubber substance, but it said you can use it for a pressing tool. It will, small threads will adhere to it and you can pick them up. And so just another great notion to throw in your sewing bag. This is a package, a 2-pack of Rotary Blades. Always great to get Rotary Blades. This is a new to me brand, so I will be trying these out. I believe it's called Famore or Famore. So it says that this blade glides through fabric, leather, vinyl, and so much more. So I'm excited to try this as well. I'm pretty sold on the Olfa blades, but I will definitely try this out. And then just the little card that comes each month that tells about the products. There is an exclusive pattern with the Tula Pink fabric. And then the Bliss Sew Along card. And let me show you my block. I've got it made. And I used 3 different fabric collections again. Here's last month's block. And I used in this block Creekside and Summer Sweet and Happy Days. And so I decided after making this block, if you missed the last video, that I'm going to take these Bliss Quilt Along patterns and use my scraps. And I'm also challenging myself to use at least 3 different collections in each block. So with this one I used Emma and Happy Days and Clover Hollow. So 3 collections again, and I've got 2 blocks now. So this will be fun. I feel like this is a great way to use up your stash and your scraps. And I've even thought about making another set of blocks with Christmas fabrics, because that would get rid of some of my Christmas stash. Okay, so that is it for all of the contents in today's box. I will have them all linked in the description below, and we are actually getting pretty caught up now. So I'm filming this early in June, and I understand that the June box might be only about a week late. So we are slowly but surely getting caught up with these Sew Sampler boxes. Okay, so that's it for the contents of the May Sew Sampler box. A couple of these notions are new to me, as I mentioned. I'm excited to try them out this month and looking forward to just a really fun scrap quilt using these Bliss Sew Along patterns. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.